gonna go ahead and get started with the color Sputnik. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. There is some fallout with this color and the kick up in the pan, but that's fine. Just tap your brush off. They're really pretty muted red. Don't need a base for it. Press it on. Then I'm going in with the mixture of Berlin and Republic, and that's gonna blend out the crease. Go back in with a little bit more of Sputnik. This is gonna be the base for my duochrome. Go into the After Dark palette and use this white in the brow bone. And you only need a little because it is very pigmented. Now I'm gonna go into the duochrome breakthrough. It's like a greeny gold and a cranberry. You can see it there. Let's shift a little bit. Outer corner, I'm gonna go into East and West. Back in with Berlin and Republic and blend that out a little bit more. I'm going with this NYX Faux Black in Oxblood on the lower lash line. Go over that with Sputnik. And then over that with Breakthrough. Inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Transit. And this is like a duochrome as well. It's leaning pink. So this is the look, and I'll be back with liner and mascara, and we'll talk about the palette. Okay, so here's the finished look using the Lethal Berlin 89 palette. The duochrome is so pretty. I even put it on my lips. You can see the shift. So pretty. It's a cranberry to like an antique-y green gold. It's so pretty, but I'll show you a swatch of that in a second. But this is the palette that I used. This is the outer sleeve, and then this is the palette inside. Beautiful palette. And then opening her up, this is what she looks like. And you can see that duochrome there. This one here, Breakthrough, a little bit. See that shift right there from the cranberry to that antique-y greeny gold. But the colors that I used worked beautifully. I had no problems with the mattes. I love Lethal. I used this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So a lot of them. I'll be doing another look with the other colors later, but this palette is so nice. It's not like their other palettes where you can pop out the shades like this is the other one that I have. This is the After Dark, and this is the palette that I used the white from. And this color here called Frequency, and you see how the palette, the pans are. These can be popped out. They have little dots back here. You can just pop them right out, and then you can put whatever singles of Lethal that you have. You can mix and match. I do have singles too, but this is a really nice palette, and I used that white. So just to show you the difference in the pan sizes, this is larger than the pan. The whole palette is bigger. This one is smaller, so you can see the hand sizes are different. But this palette I had no problems with. It blended out beautifully. The black was really nice, not patchy, had no issues with it at all. I really enjoyed this palette. If you did receive it, let me know. And again, I will be doing another look with this. I'll probably just post it on Instagram. But this is a beautiful palette. Their formulas are spot on, no problems at all. A little kick up in the pan didn't bother me at all. The duochrome is beautiful. It's two duochromes. This one in Transit looks like it's white, but it's a pink. It's got a pink reflect. I don't know if the camera will show it, but it's got like a pinky peachy reflect to it, and it shows up even more pink on my eye than it does on my hand. And then of course Breakthrough is that greeny cranberry duochrome. There you go, you can see it better there. It's really, really nice. It's smooth. It went right over the matte with no problem, no creases. So again, recommend, if you want to try Lethal, try this palette or try some of their singles, but this was a 100% win. I'm so glad I got it. I wanted to add some more Lethal shadows to my collection, and that was a great way to do it with them coming out with the new palette, and I loved it. So I hope you enjoyed. I will be doing more tutorials coming soon. I might do another one using that palette. If you would like to see that, let me know. So like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being here with me. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.